Alright guys, so we got cucumber blossoming. Yup, Kadian just slide, I go down the hill. Look at things, so I never see that part on camera. And she thought about me for film. Suppose me did film and then
these are my farm pans, and there's a lot of clay, and when it wets, the pans just get messed up. So.
Nobody can ever see your pants.
Oh, good.
So we go get the morning routine in. Face off a wash, teeth off a brush. Not because we live off grid means so we're dirty. And we ear wash often too. And people need to forget this whole stupid thing out of their head, say dreadlocks don't wash. In order for you.
People with locks are rasta, I am not rasta.
Yes, and things that people with locks are rasta. And everybody with locks is rasta here.
I am not a rasta.
Yes.
Rasta is not mine.
Exactly. Not deify. You know, I always say deify, but I know say deify the word is. But most people will understand it unless I say deify. So I say deify. You know, the word is deify. When you put something as God, when you see anything as God, you know,
yeah.
When you worship anything, you deify it.
And side note.
Well, I can't talk soon. So this is spirit weed, guys. Yeah. That's prickly little herb right here. It grows like this from the base. It give all of that. So here is Kadian.
Alright guys, so if you're familiar with cilantro, for those of you that travel back and forth to the US, or if you just like Mexican food overall, this smells really good. It smells exactly like cilantro. I don't really see cilantro down here. It looks like it's not a really big popular Jamaican herb, but this smells exactly like it. And I don't know all the benefits just yet, but it's pretty nutritional, so definitely look it up. If you Google Jamaican spirit weed, you can see all the health benefits. So every morning, it's a tradition. We go around the farm and we have lots of bushes that we use for our tea. Herb medicine is the best medicine. So you're gonna see me cut the spirit weed now as part of a tea, and according to our ancestors, we boil tea in odd numbers. So if you're gonna boil tea, herb tea, especially bush tea, you do 1, 3, 9, you know, etc, etc. Yeah. So
this morning we're gonna do 3 leaves. We're gonna do spirit weed.
Spirit weed, cinnamon, and pimento. And you're gonna see raw. We actually are dry some pimento right now, so when I'm done, you're gonna see raw pick up some pimento leaves.
Yes, and we already have dried cinnamon leaves too.
And unfortunately, we don't have cinnamon on the property. We actually did get it from somebody else's farm, but we're gonna work and get some cinnamon on the farm because that's one of my favorite spices about it. So it's prickly, so you have to take your time. Yeah, I cut it from up here, so. So see it here, and you just go so. Just stick me already. So see it here.
Yes, and that is all you need.
That's all you need. Yeah, that is good enough. Alright, so now over here we have some pimento we've been drying, like I said. Let me pick off the leaves and we can't really see the berry then because them are dry. Oh, see, raw pick up one.
Yeah, them are dry now.
Yeah.
The rain just fall and wet now, that's why them look so.
Yeah, and so coffee in the middle are dry. Yeah, we have coffee on the farm. We pick coffee and pimento over there. We have picked pimento for sale. So if you guys are in the St. Thomas area, if you are Igla, whatever,
we have whole heap of pimento.
Yeah.
Whole heap.
Yeah. So pimento leaves is really good for just about everything.
So these are just off of 1 tree, and the tree not even get to pick properly.
Yeah, this is nothing.
Yeah.
This is not even a quarter of 1 tree. So. So,
pimento leaves.
Yeah, so we have a pimento leaves, a raw pick. So now I gotta boil up everything and then add little sugar in at the end, and yeah, that's about it. Alright guys, so we're in the process of making the coconut milk. So as you can see, coconut milk cut up real good.
So coconut cut up real good.
A coconut, oh lord.
Yeah, and we're gonna blend it up now to make the coconut milk. We're gonna blend it and juice it. So stay tuned for that.
So right now, what we're gonna do is we're about to pick some fattenboro for the food. So follow us over here and see what fattenboro even looks like. You probably pass it every single day and not even know it's a fattenboro. So
But if you live in the hills, because only in the hills, fattenboro grow. You don't grow in the flat places like Yellowstone, Kingston, and just in the hills.
Yeah. So if you're living in the hills, which I hope you do, because it's hot as hell. So if you don't, feel sorry for you, but yeah.
This is what is called fattenboro.
Mm-hmm.
I'll cut the younger part them like here so because it's the softer part. You know, so you not take the big stem them because that will kind of tough and hard to steam. Yeah, it's a big tree, man. It's a wild plant. It grow wild. Whenever plant it or no. Way more nutritious than amaranth, which is callaloo. Way more nutritious than cabbage. Way more nutritious than collard greens and all of that. And it grows wild, so $3.99 on the farm. They're all over the farm.
See, I've been watching you for a while. You smile and stuff. Wanna know if I can be with you for the night. Is that alright, baby?
Alright, we got some sour orange for juice.
Ooh, so special delivery, guys. Just got some sour oranges to make some juice.
So them big.
Some lemonade, these big old sour oranges, and then I usually add some lime on top. So it's a bomb ass citrus juice. Basically like a citrus punch vibe, and I got these limes all off the farm, may I add. Okay, so that's the beauty of it all. Alright, but right now I'm gonna jump into making some banana flour because I don't got no cornmeal, and you know, not allegedly, but flour is not, salsa flour is not good for you, so gotta add some type of healthy substance here. So about to grate the banana. Yes, Chef Ro was saying it's for mainly for fiber purposes. So
that's why cornmeal is good to mix with it.
Yeah, so that's why cornmeal is usually the go-to. So it's all for fiber purposes, people. So yeah, get your fiber on or else you will be backed up. Just keeping it real. So I'm doing this banana, green banana. Really, this skin soft. Oh my god. Alright, so finally success. And if you see me kind of moving in slow motion, I'm not gonna lie, I had some weed tea earlier this morning and it's finally like kicking in. So I don't know if I'm really moving slow or if I just feel like I'm going slow, but that's the tea. Okay, so I'm about to start grating this banana and I'm gonna show y'all what it is. Okay, see you soon.
Go straight. That bunch of plant here. Yeah. And shall I take it up and show on the size of it.
Guys, this is my first time ever trying to cut plantains, so don't be judging me. Okay, it's gonna look a bit. This is heavy, okay? I'm gonna try to be proper. This shit is heavy.
I should still have flour for that and
yeah, and I was just needing flour, so yeah.
I see that drop, the move out of the way.
Yeah, ladies, take out that aggression on a tree, you know, harvesting, you know. You saw that? You like that?
So,
Alright guys, so this is the bunch. I haven't counted it yet. This thing is heavy. I want to say it's at least 20 pounds. It's heavy, man.
alright guys, so this is the end product. It's almost ready to come off of the fire. Fattening barrel, coconut milk. You have okra in there, gully bean, which is susumba, and some penne noodles. So everything cooked down in a coconut milk with butter. Yeah man, and we're gonna eat dumpling and banana with it and cocoa. Alright guys, so this is the finished product. These are the dumpling pot. Got cocoa, dumpling and banana. Boil the banana in the skin. So all of the people who boil banana in the skin left a comment. Yeah, so that's a dumpling pot.
Alright guys, so here's the finished look. So I just did our own thing. I've never really seen this happen, but we had some penne noodles, so I kind of wanted to use in something. And there is such thing as spinach pasta, so why not do it with the fattened burro? You know, it's greens, so why not? We just made it like Jamaican style, you know what I mean?
Yeah.
Putting a twist on the Italian, you know? So we did penne with fattened burro, gully beans, okra, you know, your usual seasons, onions, garlic, you know. And that was all boiled down in coconut milk, not just regular water like pasta, but coconut milk. And then we have cocoa, banana dumpling, as you saw me gratering earlier, and green banana. So I'm about to take a bite. Oh, and for juice we got sour orange, or some Jamaican people call it lemon. I guess the original lemon that's green. So we got that sour orange with lime. Ooh, brightest juice you'll ever taste. I swear, don't sleep on it. As simple as it sounds, it's my good. So, whoa, I think I might be onto something here. Your pen ain't mad with it. Y'all should definitely try it. Try it. And it's like the fattiness from the okra is bonding perfectly with the coconut milk, so it's giving it like a creamy vibe. So it kind of tastes like pasta sauce in a way, you know what I mean? Those of you who are familiar with pasta. It's not good. It's not good. And we got some scotch bonnet in there too. Oh, we got a little spice.
And red pepper.
Yeah. And black pepper.
Yes, and as I said, gully bean. Susumba. One guy is infused.
Oh boy, I forgot about that part. Because guys, like I said, oh, ouch, one unspite me. Ouch. Ouch, guys. But guys, like I told you earlier when I was grading this stuff, I'm kind of high. So I haven't really recovered from the tea yet, and then now this is infused on top. So the only thing I can wish for is some ice cream. I don't even have anything here sweet except for the juice. Wonder Woman can't feel it dark.
How are your biscuit gone? You done?
I mean, this already.
Right.
I really need my supper.
Sorry, fair enough.
Where are them chicken you come from? All of a sudden.
I just hear them all about this a while ago.
Oh, right. Go back to now and bread pepper.
Okay. You want to buy some bread pepper?
I'm always open for some reason. So to me, I'm a juice.
Yeah, full vegan dish. Because we're gone vegan. vegan and pescatarian, you know?
Yeah.
Vice, you know?
Well, pescatarian is a form of veganism, so.
Oh!
I'm pescatarian, guys. I plan on going full vegan one day, but for now I'm just weaning myself off slowly but surely.
Yeah, so about vegan.